Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python programming series of video shorts. So we were just learning about the decorators and at the rate operator, right? So let's just see a quick advantages of using out at the rate with decorators, okay, in Python programming. So it makes the code cleaner and more readable, okay. So if you are like using out at the rate decorator name, above the function is shorter and neater than writing like if rather than using out this, if you're going to use out like function equal to decorator then function name manually, that will of course going to create a problem, right? So you can just simply use out at the rate and the decorator name. If I'll just take you towards here, if you want this, it's like if here you can check the code that I have used out class method with at the rate, right? So now I'm just going to use out class method here. So in case, okay, if I'll just remove it out, so what happens no now, like without using at the rate, if you're going to call let's say a grid function, okay, so you need to give here the decorator manually, then only you would be able to just move forward with your grid function. This is just a like basic understanding of the code. You need to manually give the decorator, or else if you're going to use at the rate, you can just directly give at the rate decorator name and you can perform the further line of code, okay. So it improves the reusability. Of course you can just use out the decorator multiple times if you want, okay. You can apply the same decorator to the multiple functions easily, okay. And once you can just create the decorator, if you want you can just perform that decorator to multiple functions, whatever you have been created number of functions within your code. It keeps the logic separate. Of course if you are going to use out at the rate, you would be having the better understanding over the code. It keeps the logic separate, of course, okay. It allows you to just have the separation over the code that will look elegant and decent. I mean not the decent but proper, right? So like to separate the extra functionality, of course, like example logging, validation and all, so from the main function logic, making the code modular and easier to manage. So suppose the built-in decorators as well. So guys, please check out my built-in decorators video shots, okay. So it also supports there as well. It also applies decorators automatically. Using at the rate automatically applies the decorator at the time of function is defined. So whenever you are just going to define a function, above the line of that we can just use out at the rate and the decorator name, so function is defined successfully to use. So you don't need to call it separately there. In case if you are just going to just write the decorator and next line you are just going to define, okay. So also it is going to just use the out also it looks professional and pythonic in style, okay, which is the very, I would say, a plus point for using out the at the rate operator, I would say decorator in Python. So yeah, I hope guys this is going to be a quick and simple and easy theory for you for at the rate in Python. Thank you.